It's been a while, and today we are sharing exciting updates on Rocket Lab's Electron reuse and the priorities shaping Rocket Lab's future. Welcome to Space Lab. Sir Peter Beck, CEO of Rocket Lab, recently discussed the company's strategic priorities and the unique approach to take towards space exploration. In an interview with Payload, Beck emphasized that the most important thing at this time is to not interrupt the Electron production team with new things and to just keep the production rate of Electron where it needs to be to support this year's existing manifest. The article went on to quote Sir Peter Beck as saying that Electron reuse is not that important to the business on a margin standpoint or at this point, even from a technology standpoint. Peter Beck stated that the reusability team and the recovery team were 100% directed and focused on other things, mainly Neutron. These comments, of course, created a head-scratching moment amongst many investors who, as recently as the Q1 2024 earnings call, had been receiving exciting updates regarding Rocket Lab's Electron booster recovery program. During this particular earnings call, Sir Peter Beck emphasized an exciting post-quarter update on the recovery program, where he described that for the first time they had returned an Electron stage back to the production line in preparation for reflying. This left many investors looking forward to the next steps in the booster recovery program, a program that had been discussed for years as a real cost saver. Why had we been attempting to catch it with a frickin' helicopter after all? In a recent communication with CFO Adam Spice, Space Lab was able to clarify Rocket Lab's current stance on Electron reusability and on the point that perhaps Sir Peter was trying to make during the Payload interview. According to CFO Spice, Rocket Lab still believes there are significant cost savings possible from reusing Electron boosters. However, given their limited resources, it's more beneficial to prioritize accelerating Neutron instead of focusing on margin gains from Electron booster reuse at this time. He went on to say that at Rocket Lab, engineering resources are flexible and allow for swift shift focus between projects like Electron reuse, Neutron tanks, and the Escapade satellite for NASA, to name a few. Most importantly, CFO Spice went on to say that R&D for Electron booster reuse is now complete, and the next step would be a transition to production, which involves extensive work on instructions and the supply chain. According to Spice, Rocket Lab aims to refocus on Electron recovery by the end of 2024 and target a booster reflight in 2025. Moving from R&D to production is a complex and detailed process, and really a critical milestone that should not be ignored. It's clear that Rocket Lab's decisions continue to be driven by precision and a clear focus on future advancement. Their adaptable team, innovative mindset, and strategic priorities is what sets them apart in the space industry, and what continues to reassure many investors who look forward to the execution and transparency we have come to expect. Thanks for watching.